Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the unique and healthy recipes. God bless you for stopping by. Guys, in today's video, this is what I want to combat. I want to make a recipe that will clear off this black eye circle and sunburn. You can see it's so obvious. I don't like it, it's spoiling my fine face. So I want us to make a recipe that will clear it off. I'll be taking this treatment for 1 week. So exactly by next week, Monday, I'm going to give you an update on how far the recipe has worked. So, but I want to show you how to make it. If you have black eye circles, puffy eyes, wrinkles, or sunburn like this, then this video is for you. Let's make it together. I use my own therapy, you use yours. Then after 1 week, let's see the result of the recipe. I'll bring my updates here. So let's go right into the video. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. Okay, so we need very few ingredients for this recipe. The first one is this turmeric powder. That's the first one. The second thing we need is this aloe vera gel. Then the third thing we need is this vitamin E oil. Then the fourth thing we need is this face cream. This is sod face cream. Okay, so let's go into the mixing of the ingredients. Okay guys, so you just measure some quantity of the face cream into the bowl. As you can see in the video, just a spoonful. Then you now add aloe vera gel. Now it depends on the quantity you want to make, but I just want to make a very small quantity I can finish in 2 days. So I prefer to use it fresh each time. So I've measured the aloe vera gel and then I added the vitamin E oil, only 1 capsule. Then I'll be adding my turmeric powder. This is just about 5 grams that I will be adding. Turmeric has antibacterial properties. It helps to heal and to clear wounds. So now, sunburn actually is a wound. So you mix it properly. Aloe vera gel also has the ability to heal wound. This particular aloe vera gel, you can use this processed one or natural gel from aloe vera plant. It's very, very potent in healing wounds and also in glowing the skin. So you mix it up properly as you can see in the video. Then you apply it as a mask all over the place where you need it. If you have dark eye circle, sunburn, wrinkles, or even black spots, you just apply it generously and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Then you wash off with clean water, warm water, and soap. You repeat it for 7 days and then you now come back for the updates. Like I promised earlier, I'm going to do it for 7 days and I'll bring the updates next week, Monday, by God's grace, to show us that the recipe is potent and it works. So thank you guys. This is how to make it, and this is how to apply it. Remember to wash it off after about 30 minutes with warm water and soap, and then you apply it again the next night consecutively for 7 nights. So after that, I will bring you the update. Thank you so much, and bye. God bless you.